What I'm looking to do with this move here is sever one of the tendons going up the neck so the head kind of flops forward. It won't kill him, but it'll distract him a good bit. Alright? So basically he's kind of headless chicken looking up at you until you eventually kill him. Now, see the shield here? One thing he's doing right, getting the shield up and he's attacking me with the shield as well. Come forward here with the shield for a wee second, right? Use the broad of the shield here, just the edge of the shield here, just to punch mine there. Alright? A wee bit harder. Put me under the ground, go on. That's the job. The shield hits the body. The force from the shield reverberates into the body. Takes the wind out of you just a wee touch. Alright? That's enough to slow someone down in combat. So if you come running up to them like this here, and instead of hitting them with this first, hit them with those with the shield. That'll knock them into the ground because the shield has a bit more momentum. It's a bit heavier than this boy here, alright? Short spear here. If you give me that for a second, Joe, give him that spear there for a second.
And each other.
And you're in quick.
Yeah, it's pretty.
If I was going to hit him with this and all, I'd be aiming for his shield. I don't want to hit him, because at a distance, if I was to throw that at you, the first thing you do is you're trained anyway, all this Jesus, put that up. I want this to stick in your shield, because that there stuck in the shield renders this useless. You can't move it, you can't turn it around fast enough, you cut the tension to stay alive. So that's what I want to do with the first spear. Give him a clap for coming up, folks. Right. Right, that's good enough there.